Are you wondering which industries benefit most from CrankWheel? Whether you're in sales, support, or any customer facing role, CrankWheel can help streamline your processes and improve customer satisfaction. But is it the best choice for your specific needs? Let's dive into the best industries for using CrankWheel and why it might be a game changer for your business. Stick around to the end, as I'll reveal an exclusive offer and share a few alternatives that could be a better fit for your goals. First off, let's talk about sales teams. CrankWheel is fantastic for industries like real estate, automotive, or insurance, where quick, visual product demos are crucial. Sales teams can instantly share their screens with prospects, helping close deals faster. This is especially valuable in fields where complex products need to be demonstrated visually, and time is always a factor. Next, we have the tech industry. If you're offering software or tech services, CrankWheel's simple. No installation approach allows support and sales teams to share their screens effortlessly, answering questions and troubleshooting in real time. This saves time, reduces friction, and ensures that your customers always have a seamless experience. Moving on to another industry where CrankWheel really shines, financial services. Whether you're explaining investment options, walking clients through tax forms, or providing financial consulting, CrankWheel allows advisors to guide clients through complex documents in real time, giving them a personalized, face-to-face experience even from afar. This is especially important for industries where clients need to feel confident and informed before making decisions. The fourth thing to consider is education. Tutors, coaches, and training organizations can use CrankWheel to demonstrate concepts, share documents, and interact with students without the barriers that come with traditional video conferencing tools. It's the perfect solution for professionals who want to share their screen instantly and engage with their audience, whether they're teaching math, coding, or language skills. Next, customer support teams in virtually any industry can benefit from CrankWheel. For any business offering tech products, services, or customer-facing operations, CrankWheel allows support agents to visually assist customers. If your clients are frequently frustrated by written instructions or email exchanges, CrankWheel lets you solve problems faster by showing, not just telling. This can lead to improved customer satisfaction and retention. Now, you may be wondering, does CrankWheel have any downsides? While CrankWheel excels in simplicity and speed, it's not the most feature-packed solution out there. Its lack of integration with some popular CRMs and limited collaboration features might make it less appealing for larger teams or those needing more advanced capabilities. But here's the kicker. While CrankWheel is solid for many industries, there are alternatives out there that could suit your needs even better. For example, if you're looking for more robust features like CRM integration, screen recording, or deeper customization, you might want to explore options like Zoom, TeamViewer, or even alternatives with more in-depth collaboration tools. To sum it up, CrankWheel shines in industries that need quick, efficient visual sharing, such as real estate, automotive, tech, financial services, and education. However, if you need more integrations or features for your team, there are alternatives worth considering. So, here's the best part. Through our exclusive link, you can get access to an extended free trial of CrankWheel that's not available anywhere else. Plus, I've added some amazing alternatives that could work even better for your business goals, also with free trials so you can try them risk-free. Check the first link in the description to access your best free trial and exclusive benefits, and don't forget to explore the alternatives that could be a better fit for you.